So one of the questions we do get a lot is, can I use my own appliances? Can you help me with the kitchen with my own appliances?
It is, mate, and yeah, we can. We pretty much never say no. We'll have a look at what anyone's got as far as a barbecue fridge, and give some recommendations. We have got a range of appliances that we recommend because we know them well. They give really good warranties for outdoor use, and they just work.
Specifically designed for outdoor use.
100%. So we do have them that we recommend, but if someone's already bought appliances or they're looking at getting something different, then we'll certainly have a look at it and try and build it into their project, because we can customise pretty much anything.
Well, obviously not working with modular, we can design to the millimetre around the appliances that they've got.
Spot on, mate, absolutely.
So get in touch with us, come down and see us at the Building Design Centre or give us a call. We'd be happy to work through what you've got and what you design and give you any help.